So once you have your frame up, you're going to want to put in your diagonal braces, and this really firms up your greenhouse. If you're going to leave it like this overnight, I really encourage you to put these in. So this is a commercial purling here, so it lines up with that hole, and then it's going to go into that bolt right there. And down here, I pull this nut and bolt out, right out, and I swap it with a 3/4 inch bolt. Only because it's a little easier to manage. So now that it's sort of finger tight, I get my level. So I'm going to tighten this end up because I got to go this way, so it's going to pull out just a hair. And we're good right there. If you got everything pinned down, all your posts and everything, don't be afraid to give it a good push. It's not going to go over. So these diagonals go in all 4 corners. So then we're going to work on the other side.